video is for the stay-at-home mom who is tired of feeling bad about the way she looks and is unpleasantly surprised when an unexpected visitor stops by. My name is Ellie and I've been there before. I know exactly how much of an impact your self-presentation has on your self-esteem and overall happiness. It can be hard to dress up and look put together with all the demands of motherhood. In this video, I want to share exactly how easy it can be to look put together without spending too much time, so that you could go about your daily tasks without much effort. Be sure to follow along for more videos like this, and please don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Now let's get right into it. I want to share why I think it's so important how you present yourself. Your presentation is a direct reflection of how you feel about yourself. When you look and feel good, you can show up as your best self every day. And in the event that you're caught off guard with an unexpected visitor, you're still able to be you without that extra layer of insecurity that is completely unnecessary for you busy mom. So our goal is to accomplish an outfit of choice that is comfortable, functional, stylish, and structured so that you can feel confident and empowered as you go about your day. My tips in this video will be geared towards those things. The first thing you want to think about is how the fabric or the garment makes you feel. You need to feel good in the way that you present yourself and how you look in that item. It also needs to complement your personality because we are all so different, and you don't want to be wearing something that makes you feel more of an imposter than you might already feel. Looking for colors that complement your skin tone and overall complexion are going to help you accomplish that, especially when you're doing light natural makeup or you're just going all natural. The next thing to look for is quality fabrics. You don't want to put on a garment that's going to rip, snag, or it just overall looks cheap, because this already makes you feel a lot worse about how you look. Make sure that the fit is comfortable, where it's not too tight and it's not 2 sizes too big and hanging off of you. The item fits you well and you feel comfortable being yourself. I personally shop for neutral colors because they match everything, and it's so easy to just throw on a coat and go somewhere in case you need to leave the house to run an errand or something like that. And neutrals are always going to be the classic choice. So things like beige colors, dark colors like black or navy are going to be the best overall color spectrums to stay within. I also try to avoid things that have too many patterns or honestly bold colors. I don't have too many outfits that are bold because they are so intense and you kind of get annoyed of them quickly, and they don't match everything. Like for example, if you're wearing a bright yellow suit and then you have a blue coat or something like that, it's just gonna look tacky and really off, and obviously cheapens your look, and I'm sure you're not going to feel too comfortable or confident in that outfit. Another thing you want to think about is the psychology of color, because a lot of colors, they subconsciously make us feel a certain way, and a good example of that would be like the color pink, where it makes you feel feminine and pretty. It's awesome to wear on those days that you kind of feel like you want a little extra girliness to you. I personally don't wear crop tops because I don't feel comfortable about flashing my midsection after the birth of my kids. Plus, I don't like to wear v-necks that are super low because I am bustier. If you do feel comfortable and like yourself wearing these things and they make you feel better, by all means go ahead. This is just a personal preference of mine. I also avoid sheer fabrics at all costs because they do really cheapen the look, especially when you are running around with toddlers all day and you have sheer fabric on. It just kind of, it's actually much less likely to be preserved in a fashionable sense. It will probably get damaged, or something might become visible that you don't want to expose unexpectedly. Some things to simplify your shopping process even more is buying matching sets where it's just one monochrome fabric and color. This is awesome for just doing the seamless put together look. Investing into cute slippers and socks is going to do a big difference in your overall feeling of yourself at home. I love slippers, and I'll show you some of my favorite ones here. Owning a good supportive bra is going to be a big plus in this situation because you want to be comfortable for you to walk around in them for hours. Since I'm larger than a C cup by a lot, I buy most of my bras from Saks Fifth Avenue, Nordstrom, and Aerie. Victoria's Secret has some great options also. Places that I like to shop for my loungewear and my at-home outfits are places like Mango, H&M, Zara, Aritzia, Nordstrom, Revolve, Spanx, and other stores. Each of these stores have specific items that I look for when I shop there, and I'll leave a little guide of what I like to buy down below. Some mistakes that I've made when I was purchasing my at-home outfits is buying too much at once. This is not going to be beneficial to you because you are first of all not going to be excited about all of your pieces in the long run, and to avoid this mistake, I suggest buying 3 to 6 outfits to have today or now, and then over time you can just add and switch items into your wardrobe. This also makes sure that you are not sacrificing quality over quantity and prevents you from being overwhelmed all at once with the new garments. Loungewear, cute sweat sets, knitwear, and matching sets are by far going to be my ride or die because they are so easy to shop for, and most stores actually have like a collection of one of the items that I just mentioned. My favorite place to shop for plain t-shirts is H&M, their premium section, because you can get a really good quality cotton t-shirt for like $25, and their fit is just more flattering to what I like, so that's where I purchase my t-shirts. Mango has some awesome matching sets and also knitwear. I like their sweaters, and long sleeve tops are awesome. I absolutely love Aritzia. I would buy everything from there if I could. They have the overall best quality on everything that I've purchased so far, and most of their things are so simple that it's very easy to pair with anything else. I found some really nice things at Revolve as well. They have awesome knit sweaters, comfortable leggings. Same thing with Zara, Spanx, and other stores. I started shopping for sustainable fashion because the quality of the pieces are just so much better, and it makes you feel better as the person when you wear them. So please, mama, stop wearing your old worn out t-shirts as your at-home attire. You deserve so much more, and you deserve to feel empowered. It's time to throw away all those old things that don't make you feel good. You can also donate them if you feel better about doing that also. Get inspired. Go on to Pinterest, go on to some of the sites that I mentioned. Go look at some girls on Instagram that have very casual styles and see what you can come up with. I want you to do this for you. You deserve to feel good about yourself, and it will also affect everything else around you. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Consider subscribing to my channel, and leave any questions in the comment section below. I will be reading through them. It means so much to me to have you here, so thank you so much for listening. I'll see you guys in the next one.